Good medical morning. This is Watson, your Prince of Popping, with some of my favorite pops of the week. As you check them out, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell for updates. The first clip comes to us from Gaspa. It's a tremendous blackhead removal clip. Blackheads are open comedones, and the esthetician is removing them with a lancet. If you need a pimple popping kit that includes an amazing lancet, check out this kit from Amazon. Here is a fascinating case of senile comedones. These are often age-related and most common when there is prolonged sun exposure. Have you ever heard of varicose veins? This example of varicose veins is one of the most extreme I've seen in a while. Wow. Let me show you a few more pimple pops from our Instagram page @GreatestMedical. Don't forget to check that out too. Can anyone identify if this is a blackhead, dilated pore, epidermoid cyst, or something else? Leave your comments below. I'll show you a few more pimple pops while you click that subscribe button. Then I'll give you a little more about comedone extractor tools. Check out my favorite kit in the description below. Don't forget to check out our favorite blemish removal toolkit. This beautiful 7-piece set is available on Amazon and will fulfill all your popping needs. It has a lancet for big jobs, a spade for those hard-to-reach corners, the cone extractor for big jobs, and loops of various sizes. This kit has everything you need to start popping like a pro. Each one has been hand-inspected for quality, and the case keeps them stylish and discreet. Don't be fooled by flimsy, low-end knockoffs. Pick up yours today by using the Amazon link below. Thanks for watching.